Hello everyone, I am Susan Zam. How do you greet two or more persons in Berom? Let's check that out on the board. Yina tyang is good morning, which literally means did you have a peaceful sleep? Response: tyang, tyang or tyang. Remember, tyang is fine. Tyang is we slept well or we slept fine. Yina woso tyanga, yina wosho tyanga, yina woho tyanga or yina wo tyanga is good afternoon or good evening. Response: wora woso tyang, wora wosho tyang, wora woho tyang or wora wo tyang, which means we are fine. Senagasi is good night, which literally means till tomorrow morning. Response: Senagasi Dagwi awulot, which means good night. May God make us see it. It here is the morning. Okay? Well, we have come to the end of today's class. I hope to see you soon again by God's grace. Stay blessed.